Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to make a wonderful peacock painting. So, first we need water to clean the brushes and that we will need for this painting we will clean the brushes thoroughly so that the color does not mix together and the painting is highlighted. You can see that it already has a lot of paint on it. So we're going to wash it off really well with water. For this painting, we will use zero size brushes. Keep smiling 000 brush. After that, we will put the color on a plate in this way that we need for this painting. Colors will also be used. They are all acrylic paint. First, we will take light green color and dark green color. Along with them, we will use also red color, blue color, and orange color, and then indigo color and sky blue color. I have run out of yellow color, so I am using poster color. So now we start painting. First, we will color this middle part. For that, we will need yellow color and brown color. We will mix both together to make one color and make the wings of the middle in such a rounded shape. Now blow it with blue color and we will make the wings like this and blow it. We will use a little orange color in this way. Then we will use blue and purple color mixed together to make the neck. It will be a little dark shade and we will make it like this. We will be used to make the body of peacock and with the same color we will also make the face of the peacock. We will use it to make its beak. Expect for the eyes we will do this blue color everywhere. Now to make the wings on top of it we will use sky blue color. In this way, in places it will be shaded to make blue color and what will be left we will make circles with purple color like this. The further we will stand out well because peacock feathers have many colors and the and this shape is common, so we will use this color like this. At the bottom we will use orange color. Let's shade from color. We will make a dark shade by mixing brown and black color on the branches that we have made with The peacock we will use it is these branches, but we will make flowers with yellow color. But first we will make other colors will are left here. And how we will design the crown on top of the peacock. Because blue color, now it will make round dot. With purple color like this, we will add blue color on the water that was left over, and now we will use yellow color on top of it. Now shade the remaining color lower wings orange color like this. Now again darkening all the colors will well once. Now we will to make the flowers we will use medium yellow color and make small flowers and birds on all the branches and give a dark shade on these flowers with orange color. The peacock's eyes and make this thin line with black pointer in the crown we made above it. The painting is now ready. Tell me how you like it and like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.